Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Coinbase wallet recovery phrase safely step by step clearly. First, open your Coinbase wallet app. Log in using your credentials. Navigate to the settings section of the app. Locate the option for your recovery phrase. Make sure you are in a secure and private location. Write down the recovery phrase on a piece of paper. Use a pen that does not smudge or fade over time. Double-check each word for accuracy as you write. Store the paper in a waterproof and fireproof safe. Consider making multiple copies of the recovery phrase. Keep these copies in separate secure locations. Avoid storing the phrase digitally or online to reduce risks. If possible, use a security deposit box at a bank. Inform a trusted family member or friend about the location of the backup. Regularly review your storage method to ensure it remains secure. Update your backup if you change your recovery phrase in the future. Always treat your recovery phrase like cash or valuable assets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.